Here we are. This is the main event. Hey, Tuesday Night Titans. There he is, Jake.
Yeah!
Could have really put
Got a three-way
Gary Austin.
Elimination. It's the three-way dance.
Could have really put Gary Austin out of commission.
He's back there looking for weapons.
Already looking for weapons. This guy's no stranger to this game. He knows. He knows.
All right, let's see who's coming up next.
There you got your ref.
And here is the return.
The return.
Of the animal! Yeah!
The lights are going.
He's back, baby!
Back and probably stronger than ever. Where's he at? There he is.
Oh, hell yeah!
The animal.
It's the return!
And is he pumped tonight?
He is so pumped! It's been months since he's been back!
Months since he's been back. He forgot how to get in the ring.
Slippery when wet!
My mind
You guys
goes.
have a huge feud.
Oh, look at these
What the
guys.
hell?
Uh-oh.
Interesting to say the least.
Yes, it is.
Animals probably all drunk.
Whoa, here we go.
Here's another man making his return. Former American champion. He never lost a belt. He is the MMA machine.
Andy Bertalotti.
Let's get a zoom in on those guys in the ring. He's got quite the intro.
I wonder if he's got any fire with him tonight.
This is a three-way dance, and from what I understand, it's a #1 contenders match for the world title. Here he is, the MMA machine. He's all pumped up. These guys have had a three-way dance before.
And where's my music at? Hang on. We're about ready to hear the bell ring.
Let's get that bell rung. This is an elimination style match. All these guys are all crunked up and ready to go.
This is going to be unbelievable here. It's been raining all day.
This match is underway here. Oh, and Jake to the outside. This is going to be wild. If you're looking for the pretty wrestling match, nice DDT by Andy. We got music playing.
Oh, the fog's going, the lights are going. Oh,
Nice power bomb.
at
Jake's all pumped up. What's he doing here? Windmill time, maybe?
who knows?
Yeah! Hit the windmill!
Hit it!
Now these guys have had a three-way dance. It was one of the most brutal matches we've seen in the company.
You know,
Yeah, this one's dedicated to the Macho Man.
Jake, as we know, is a big fan of the Macho Man who recently passed out.
I have not seen these guys in about 2 months.
Oh yeah,
These guys give it their all, though.
Jake just returned last week, both Animal and Andy, and the ref's gonna try to keep up with these guys.
Yeah, how can he keep up?
Look, Animal necked up!
Animal, hit it!
These guys, this is what these guys love to do. These guys love going at it.
Oh, what a drop kick by Jake.
Oh, both men tried going for a kick. That was not
Another
pretty.
good drop kick.
Oh, and Jake
could
looked
be
hurt. Oh, maybe. Suplex, maybe?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, on his neck. That could have put him out.
Enziguri by Jake.
Wow.
This is going to be wild. This is going to be insane. Oh, could we see a tap out? He's got a chokehold.
Oh, the animal, I bet, is going to break this one now.
Well, he doesn't have to, Kurt. It's elimination.
I know.
So if I were the animal, I wouldn't break anything up because if Jake tapped out, he's eliminated.
Yeah, they want Andy out of there, I think.
Andy's a tough competitor, but he hasn't had a match in months.
I know. How can he compete with these two vicious guys?
We've had no cover so far. We've just had a submission.
There's
we
the
got
first cover.
one.
Oh!
2 count and Jake broke it up.
Right on the head of the animal.
Landed right on the animal. Oh, God. Oh, my
Here
God.
comes the toys.
There's a barbed wire bat in there.
Here comes the toys. Oh, Andy Bertalotti is getting framed in here. Oh,
there's the tube, the animal's personal tube. And the animal's out there taking a breather. Oh, he ducked.
Oh, he slipped.
And the ref's back by us. I don't blame him. This is a very intense.
Yes.
And Animal's doing the smart thing. There's no countouts. He's recuperating. You want to see someone get hurt, don't you?
I want to see some fashion. Some high
Look at this.
fashion.
Look at this.
Kick it.
Look at this. Oh, yeah. F-wide up. F-wide up. F-wide up. Moonsault. Ah! Oh, my God. And Animal's over there taking a breather. He's going to let these two guys kill each other.
This is why these shows cost money.
Yeah.
This is why they're high flying. And
Oh, a shot. Come on, Andy. 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 Oh, an animal's still on the outside. He could be hurt over there. Kurt, go check on the animal. Oh, what's this? Andy trying to get a submission locked in. Anything goes. 3-way dance, baby. Jake's specialty. Oh, we've seen him in his hardcore matches lately. And they're trying to find the animal. He's out of sight. He could have disappeared in the darkness somewhere. And these two guys have had some of the greatest matches ever. They had the first ever House of Hardcore match. And Jake's over there looking for weapons. This is a #1 contenders match. And you want to know for what? For the World Heavyweight title. Whoever wins this gets the world title. Oh my God!
Woo, this has turned out to be a slobber knocker. Oh my Lord. Look at all this high flying action. It's what the fans pay for, baby. Even in the rain. Oh my God, look at these moves. Oh, he got caught with it. Oh my Lord. Oh, yeah. Andy blasted him right on with that garbage can, right on him. This is what I'm talking about. And the ref is nowhere around. He's just letting them go. Oh, yeah. Who's gonna give first? Who's gonna tap out? Oh, what a smack to the face. And he's got the rope. There's the ref right there, breaking her up. Whoops. Oh, these guys are going at it. Hardcore style. What in the hell? It's Mike Houston. Oh, it's Mike Houston.
I'm filling in for the animal.
He's filling in for the animal. The animal must have got hurt. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They're going right after. They're going right after Jake. Oh, boy. Now what's Jake gonna do? Oh, what a slam. Look at the power. There's Andy. Andy's backing him up. There's a kick. Oh, nice. Nicely done. Oh, what's this? Never trust Mike Houston. Never trust Mike Houston. Uh-oh. Where's everybody at? We've got one man in the ring. Oh my God, a chair. What a bell ringer. What is Mike Houston up to? Oh, he just got caught with that. Oh, here comes Andy. I don't think he sees Andy. Oh, he missed. He missed him. He missed him again. Oh my God, look at these two go at it. Hardcore style. This is what it's all about, FYW. It is raining here. The mat is, the ring is, how much more does Jake got in him? And Andy. Ooh. Uh-oh. The ref's coming in. The ref's right there. Pretty quiet, but is he gonna tap? Is he gonna give? Oh, look at this move. Look at this. Oh, is he gonna break his leg? Andy reversed it. Oh, look at the punches he's giving this guy. Oh my gosh. Is there blood? I think I see blood. Is there blood? Oh. Mike Houston has been cracked open. Oh my God. Oh, Mike Houston is, oh my God, look at this. This has turned out to be one.
Turn over, son of a bitch!
Oh my God. Look at the face of Mike Houston has been cracked open. Oh my God, look at these chops. These guys are going at it hardcore.
Had a long sleeve shirt on. We're all like, dude, is the guy crazy?
Wow, what is legal in this? Where is, the ref is keeping his distance. Oh, there's a pin on the outside. Oh, what a shot to the head by Andy Bertalotti. Oh, Mike Houston.
Come on!
From afar. Mike Houston calling him in. He took the animals. He took, oh my God.
Move. Get out of my way.
Oh my God. Mike, oh my gosh, what has happened to this guy? He's lost it. Oh, this could be it. The armbar lock. I've never seen anybody get out of that. Oh, he's, oh my gosh. What a power. Oh, we got action in the ring. Oh, they're all out on the ring. They about ran into the cameraman. Mike Houston is busted open. Watch out. Oh, Mike caught him. Mike's setting him up. What is going on here? Well, here we go. Here comes Houston. Back in. Giving him some cracks. Oh my God. He's just having fun out there. He says, you know what? Since I'm cracked. Uh-oh. He's trying. Look at him. Both of them. He's calling for both of them. Ooh. Double clothesline both of them. Oh my God. Look at this warrior's face. This is, look out! Oh! Cameraman just about got it. Oh! Jake is just right on. I mean, he knows he's got to put these guys down. Could we see a tap here? No. Oh, he's crushing him. He is crushing him. Where in the hell is Andy at? Oh my God, look at these guys go at it. Camera's getting a little blurry. Look at Houston looking around. Houston's looking around, he's back into the ring. Hey, look at him, he's full of energy. It's like he wants more. Oh, Andy Bertalotti missed him. Here we go. Oh, this could be it right here.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, Andy is out of here. Andy is out of here. It's Jake and Mike Houston. There goes Bertalotti. He's been eliminated. He's been pinned by Mike Houston. What in the world is going on here? Where did Mike Houston? He had a match earlier tonight. Where in the hell is he getting all this energy from? Oh, right in front of the cameraman. These guys are dangerous. I don't even know where to begin. Uh-oh. He could be hurt. Man, what brutality in this ring tonight. I'm glad I got to witness this. You know what? In a way, I kind of like this going on to Mike Houston, but in a way I don't, because Mike Houston has been coming back. I think he knows he's been missing out. Oh, he's dragging him on the outside or something here. Oh, what a chop to the face. Oh my God, look at the look in his face. Oh my God. Right off the trampoline. The ring here. Could it be? Oh my gosh.
Was that a 2 or 3? 2.
Mike Houston should have never believed in that. Thought we had a new champion there for a minute, but the ref said 2. 1 count. Will these guys ever end this? The fog here is phenomenal. Our techniques here. Mike Houston giving Jake a bunch of shots and hit him in the head. Oh my gosh, I've seen everything tonight. I've seen everything tonight. How much more can this guy take? Oh, he just got clobbered.
Is that all you got?
Is that all you got? By a chair. Oh, right in the face. Man, the cameraman, I can't control this. There's too much action here. Oh, just caught him over here. They've been out of the ring. This is really gone. Oh, what a takedown. It's got to end soon. These guys can't have too much gas in there. They can't have too much more gas in them. I've seen everything. Oh, look at this. Got a Houston. Oh, he moved. Oh, look at this boxing match. Who is going to... Uh-oh. Oh, good night. This could be it.
1, 2, 3.
Ding, ding. We have a winner. Finally, Jake has won the match. My God, what hell has he went through tonight? What hell has he went through tonight to get this? This was his tribute match to Macho Man Randy Savage, who unexpectedly lost his life. That's too bad. A great wrestler, gone but never will be forgotten. Call him back, you want more. Look at the face.
Front yard mania 7.
Front yard mania 7. He is in pain, Mike Houston. Can't believe it. But you know what? He's had to take the animal's position tonight. Oh, Mike.